Good morning, 6th standard. How are you? Hope you are fine. So, Bachi, as you know that we have started our chapter number 15. The name of chapter is Magnetism, and we have done the initial or starting activities based on the magnet. Okay, that is magnets and their properties. Okay, so first activity is magnetic material. Then next is making a magnet. Then temporary magnet. Then fun with magnet. So these four activities that we have performed till today's date. Okay, now we will start with the next topic. The topic name is magnetic pole. Okay, so in this topic we will study about the poles of the magnet. Okay, so you need to open your book at page number 145. Okay, so the topic name is magnetic poles. So if we talk about the magnet, so magnet contain two types of poles. There are two poles in the magnet. Okay, so if you dip a bar or horseshoe magnet in a pile of pins, means if we dip a bar magnet or horseshoe magnet in a pile of pins, you will notice that almost all the pins which you will notice that the almost all the pins which stick to the magnet do so at the two ends of the magnet. Means if we dip a bar magnet or any horseshoe magnet in a pile of pins, or we can say the iron fillings, okay, so all the iron fillings or the pins will attract to the both ends of the magnet, like as in the diagram. Okay, so see, most of the pins are attracted towards the both ends of the magnet. Okay, you will notice the same thing if you dip a magnet in iron filling, and in case of iron fillings, so all the iron fillings are also attracted at the both ends of the magnet. Okay, so the magnet seems to be strongest at 2 points. So at 2 points, one point is this one and one is this one, where the magnet power is more strongest. Okay, so one on each of its end, so we call these points the poles of the magnet, and what we call to this is known as poles of the magnet. Okay, so this is all about the magnetic poles. Now we will perform the activity with the help of iron filling and bar magnet, that where the strength is more. Okay, so for that activity we need one piece. Okay, I have taken this one white piece. Okay, then these are the iron fillings. Okay, so iron fillings, that means जिन्हें सी बूरा बोल देंगे ना filling. Okay, जिन्हें सी लक्कड़ दा बूरा होता है ना, same we have the fillings of the iron, so that's why it is known as iron filling. Okay, then after that I need one magnet. Okay, so what I will do, I will just put this iron fillings on the paper. Okay, after that I will insert one magnet in it. Okay, now see where the most of the iron fillings attached. The most of the iron fillings are attached towards the both ends of the magnet. Okay, ਜਿਹੜੇ magnet ਦੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ends ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ iron fillings attract ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਵਾ. Why so? Because the most of the magnetic power is at the both ends of the magnet, and this is known as the poles of the magnet. Okay, so this is all about the strength of the magnet around the both ends, or we can say both at the pole. Okay, next, one more activity is there. If we hang a bar magnet from a stand using a thread, the stand could be a clothes hanger or a ruler, means with the help of any stand. If we hang a bar magnet, okay, so long as you make sure that the magnet hangs freely. Mark the position of the magnet poles on a sheet of paper below it, and we also need to mark the position of the magnet poles. Okay, so now rotate the magnet first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Clockwise means like as the direction of the clock, then anti-clockwise means in the opposite direction. So mark the position of the poles each time after the magnet stops moving. So in all three cases, you will find that the direction in which the poles point remains the same. Means the poles of the magnet always points in the north and south direction. जब भी stop होगी ना move होना, so it will always point in the same direction, that is the north and south direction. Okay, so when you suspend a bar magnet, one of its pole always points towards the geographical north. Means when we suspend a bar magnet, so one of its pole is always points towards the geographical north. Okay, and this pole is called north seeking pole. What we called this pole? North seeking pole, or in simple form we can say it is a north pole, and it is represented by N of the magnet, and the other pole points toward the geographical south, and the second point of the magnet is point towards the geographical south, and is called south seeking pole. What we called it? South seeking pole, or a simple word south pole, or it is denoted by S of the magnet. So the side on which the north pole of magnet lie is often indicated by a white dot or a painted in a particular color. Okay, if I talk about the bar magnet, so in bar magnet, the point side which is pointed towards the north pole is always represented by the white dot. Now see, there is one white dot now, so it means this pole is always point in the north direction. Okay, so what is the meaning of white dot? That this white dot represent that this side of the magnet is always point in the north direction. So or we can say it is a north pole of the magnet, and the other one pole is opposite pole is known as a south pole. So this is your south pole, and this is your north pole of the magnet. Okay, so the side on which the north pole of magnet lies is often indicated by a white dot or painted in a particular color. So this property of magnet was used by ancient travelers to find their way. So this is the best property of magnet that is used to find the direction by the ancient travelers. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਸਮੇਂ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਯਾਤਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ, they can easily find their way with the help of a magnet, because the magnet is always points in the north and south direction. So that's why they can easily find their direction, that in which direction they are going. Okay, so that is why a magnetic stone was called a lodestone. Okay, which means waystone. So magnetic stone is also known as a lodestone, and which means the waystone. So this is all about the magnetic pole. Now what you have to do, you need to read the same topic by your own with the help of the video. Watch this video very carefully, then read the same topic on page number 145 by your own. Okay bache, so thank you, have a nice day.